having a legal representation where they are laid, remember that issue, representation, are we not reduced from the character of free subjects to the miserable state of tributary slaves? Are we no better than slaves, basically, because we have no opportunity in this to shape this tax or to say what it should be? Right? This is the problem. This is where you start getting some conflict. But again, the colonists or the British aren't going to stop there. We're going to go into the Stamp Act, which is probably one of the worst egregious things that's going to happen. And so let's get into that for a minute. So what is the Stamp Act? The Stamp Act is an act to basically tax any piece of paper that the colonists touch. Let me explain that. Back in the day, they used to use this thing called mail. Nowadays, we just scan and fax and take pictures and send it. But if colonists were going to write on a piece of paper that they were going to buy something like a contract, or if they were going to send paper over the post, to send it back to Britain or wherever they were going to send it, we're going to tax with a stamp every single sheet of paper that you might actually use, And the colonists were like, no, that's not cool. Doing too much here. And what started to happen was there was a lot of problems with it. And so Americans started to find tremendous problems with this. And so what I want you guys to do, I'm going to give you a couple of these documents here. And basically, I think I might have messed up a little bit. But anyways, just take one of each. This will take us into the break a little bit. Just take one of each, and I'm going to ask you to just read them real quick. Then we'll have some discussion about it. Which one of both? Okay, so let me send both away. Okay, guys. What I would like you to do is to take a couple of minutes to simply read these documents. They're basically some documents from different sources. You can see where the sources are from the back or from the bottom. Anyways, just silently to yourselves, if you guys could, just read them both. Read all three documents, shouldn't take you too long. And then what we'll do is we're going to dig into the actual historical documents here a little bit and understand why the colonists were so up in arms about this Stamp Act. Okay?